I'm Ben Rains, and today we're going to make a deep dive into Alabama's largest annual animal migration. Now, this isn't the bird migration you hear about every spring. This one is underwater. This is fish, millions upon millions of fish that are moving along the Alabama coast right now. You may not know it, but Alabama's coastline is considered one of the richest parts of the Gulf of Mexico, which is itself one of the richest marine environments on the planet. The area between Mobile Bay and the mouth of the Mississippi River is called the fertile fisheries crescent by scientists because it is so rich. And that richness comes from all the nutrients flowing in from the Mississippi River and the Mobile River system into Mobile Bay. Two of the three biggest river systems in the nation are pumping right into this corner of the Gulf of Mexico. Incredible shot of nutrients that is translated into fish. So let's see why this area is called the fertile fisheries crescent. We're going to dive with the fish, we're going to catch a few of the fish, and we're going to explore this incredible natural phenomenon that's happening right off our coastline. We're heading about 9 miles offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. Captain Richard Rutland is here throwing a fly, hoping to lure a cobia. And you see 3 small cobia coming in here, each around 10 pounds. They get up to about 100 pounds.
Pretty little fish. Good to see a bunch of juveniles around, you know. Let's let this guy go. He was ready.
You see all the bait fish around there in the water? That's why we're here. And that's why the cobia are here, surrounding this big anchored ship. Tens of thousands of fish, mostly round scad, better known as cigar minnows, and Atlantic bumper. They're the wide, fat ones you see every now and then. The sonar machine on the boat just lights up with all these fish underneath us, these huge schools of fish. All the bait species and all the predators that eat them, including tuna, tarpon, cobia, king mackerel, they're all considered highly migratory species, and that's what they're doing right now. Scientists say there are 2 populations, one that winters off the coast of Mexico and one that winters around the Florida Keys. In the spring, they each migrate north and meet up south of Louisiana. There, in the rich Gulf waters, they feed and spawn before making the return trip south in the fall. That's what's happening right now. Meanwhile, these shimmering schools of bait dance and glitter underwater, chased by these big toothy predators. It's just a mind-blowing scene. Now look right there, that's a mackerel moving through, another predator. He's looking to pick off an easy meal, and you can see the bait respond. You got a big school of bonita. That's what these big silverfish are. Powerful, fast members of the tuna family. Now you can see a bonita here coming to the boat. Look at the gorgeous silver sides and then that distinctive pattern on the back. You notice so many of the fish out here are silver like this. It's all about hiding. It's all about camouflage. All over on our way offshore, we encountered schools of fish crashing bait on the surface. Another sign of the fall migration. In this case, it was a school of these baby bonita gobbling up anchovies. It's kill or be killed out here, and you can see it in the minnows all the time. Clearly, something has spooked them, and there it is, a big barracuda. And here's a better shot of him. Look at how he moves through the school, and you can see they're moving out of his way, trying not to get within easy reach. Barracuda are fearsome. Look what they did to this king mackerel as we reeled it in. You can actually see 2 barracuda hovering around in this frame. These are mean fish. Now here's an entirely different sort of drama going on, and again it's all about being eaten. At first I thought the jellyfish was being eaten by the fish, but on closer examination the fish were actually feasting on tiny larval fish hiding inside the jellyfish's bell. Everywhere you look out here, incredible amount of life. Just a mesmerizing sight to see tens of thousands of fish in these massive glittering schools pulsing and dancing in front of you. An incredible display of life out here. Just the abundance of the sea is staggering. Beautiful day, all centered around this ship anchored out here in the Gulf of Mexico during the fall migration.